Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and staying home to keep yourself safe from COVID-19. Students, in the previous module we discussed about the importance of natural vegetation and wildlife. Here in this module we will discuss about some features about the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. So let us begin students. National Park. A national park is a well-defined area for the protection of wildlife. Visitors can only visit the park. They cannot harm anyway to any species of plant or animals in the park, in the forest. No one has a right to use any forest product. Collection of firewood. Timber from any part of the forest is totally prohibited. Means no kind of disturbance to the species of plants and animals. Grand Canyon National Park of USA is declared as a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. What happens in such? The only scientific purpose allowed means the people can use species of plants and animal in these parks only for scientific research purposes. Otherwise, no other kind of disturbance allowed in these national parks or such forest areas. Here, some important national parks are given which are in India, like Mudumalai National Park in Tamil Nadu, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal. You know this is in the Sundarban Delta region only. Periyar National Park, Kerala. Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan. Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Keoladev National Park in Rajasthan and Gir National Park in Gujarat. So these are some important national parks which are in our country. Many other national parks are also there. Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a declared protected area in which limited human activities are permitted. In national parks, that kind of permissions are not allowed. But here in this wildlife sanctuary, some activities are allowed. It aims at providing a comfortable living to the animals. Hunting of animals and cutting of trees are banned in these forests. Hunting of animals and cutting of trees banned, but the people can collect firewood by cutting the branches of trees. They can get some firewood, fuel wood collection they can do. Timber and medicinal herbs in a moderate amount which can be used for research and educational purpose, that is also allowed in these wildlife sanctuaries. Here some wildlife sanctuaries given, like Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan, Chilika Lake Bird Sanctuary in Odisha, Chinar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala, Gir National Park Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat, Govind Wildlife Sanctuary in Uttarakhand, Mudumalai Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala. So these are some important wildlife sanctuaries in India. Many others are also there. You can get the information from other sources of information. In India, Wildlife Protection Act was launched in 1972 that prohibits poaching and hunting and trade of wildlife. So by passing this act, India strictly restricted the hunting and poaching and other trade activity related to these in India. Strictly it is prohibited from that time. In 1973, Project Tiger was launched in India with the aim of conserving tigers. Initially, 9 tiger reserves were set up, which expanded from to 39 means 9 reserves to 39 reserves in 2010. And Jim Corbett National Park of Uttarakhand is famous for tiger reserves in India. We know this. So this was all about for today's topic, and now your chapter ends, students. We'll discuss homework in the next period. So till then, bye all of you. Revise the chapter and enjoy your day.